Hello everyone, I am Karan Deshmukh from Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Nagpur. My today's topic is large integer multiplication, and first question arises why we have to study large integer multiplication. So to study why we have to study this, as you know, if we have to multiply 4 into 3, we get output as 12. If we multiply 6 into 2, same we get output as 12. But if we have a large number like 6 digit number, and we have to multiply a 6 digit number with another 6 digit number, so it is tough. Obviously it is tough to calculate. So to calculate that number in programming, we use large integer multiplication. So let's see what this method how this method works. So for that, we should know what is brute force approach. So brute force approach is simply, huh, what is brute force? Brute force approach is simply a multiplication of regular integers uh, without applying any algorithm approach. Okay, like if we like multiplication of regular integers is simply meaning of simple meaning of brute force. Let's take a comma b are both n integers in c equals to a into b. Like if we have to compute a into b, where a and b both are integers, what is the time efficiency? Uh, let's take an example like a equals to 12, b equals to 10. We can see we have to compute a into b, so the output will be 120 and the time efficiency time complexity will be theta n square. Here time complexity raises to the power of 2. Okay, let's see another example like 6 digit number. Here example, a equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6, like 6 digit number. B equals to 1 1 7 9 3 3, 6 digit number. What we have to do first, we just have to split the number into equal parts. Like 1 2 3 4 5, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we have to split in 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 separately. So it will be, here 1 2 3 will be a1, 4 5 6 will be a0, 1 1 7 will be b1, 9 3 3 will be b0. You can see yeah, a equals to a1 a0, b equals to b1 b0. Here a1 equals to 1 2 3, a0 equals to 4 5 3, 4 5 6, simply b1 b0. We have one formula for this. Like if you have to compute c equals to a into b, we have like actually three formulas. You can see on the screen, like it is hard to pronounce this, so you can see on the screen these both two formulas. um, it is easy to remember. Okay, we just have to remember this, and we just have to substitute value in this formula, and you will get the answer. Like here a1 b1 we know. You will ask what is n here. N is like we have 6 digit number, so n is 6. Here n by 2 equals to 6 by 2, as we know. Number is 6 digit. Okay, and a0 b0, we just calculated what is a, we just saw what is a1 a0 b1 b0. Okay, so same, we just substitute the value in this and we will get the answer. Like we just have to solve this equation and you will get the answer. Let's see some easy example just to understand this concept. um, Let me show you something. We have another formula for this too. Like you can see here, we have a1 into b1. We just took a1 into b1 as c2, a1 into b0 plus a0 into b1. If we solve this, we will get this as a1 plus a0 into b1 plus b0 minus c0 plus c2. Okay, uh, you can calculate this, and a0 into b0 equals to c0. Like we took in this to just short the equation. Okay, so let's see here example. We have example multiply 23 into 56. Okay, if we calculate this manually, let's calculate this manually. Calculator. So here we have 23. We have to multiply 23 with 56. So here answer is 1288. We have calculated this manually and we got answer 1288. With the large integer multiplication, how we will calculate this? Let's see here. As I told you, first we have to split. Okay, we have to split two terms. Like we have 23. Let's take 2 as a1, 3 as a0. We have 56. Let's take 5 as b1, 6 as b0, and first we have to calculate here c0, c1 and c2. These three terms we have to calculate just for now. We have c0 equals to a0 into b0. We know a0 here is 3, b0 equals to 6, 3 into 6 equals to 18. So we just calculated c0. Now we have to calculate c2. We have c2 equal c2 a1 into b1, 2 into 5. As you see, 2 into 5 we got 10. We just calculated c0 and c2. Right? It is very easy to calculate. Now we have c1 equals to a1 plus a0. We know both the values. A1 into b1 plus b0, we also here know both the values. Minus c0 plus c2. Just calculated c0 and c2 here. We just have to substitute values, and we got here c1 equals to 27. Now we know c0, c1, c2. We know both like all three values. Now we have to substitute this value in the equation c2 into 10 to the power n plus c1 into 10 to the power n by 2 plus c0. What is n here? N is we have 23, 2-digit number, so n equals to 2. You can see the 10. c2 we have 10 here, you can see n value of n is 2, so c2 into 10 to the power 2 plus c1 into 10 to the power n by 2. Here n by 2, n equals to 2, 2 by 2 equals to 1, and c0 equals to 18. So if you calculate this, we are getting that 1288 value again. So like it is easy to calculate, easy for programmers, like not easy for programmers. It is a method, multiplication of large integer. This is the way how we can calculate uh, large integer multiplication. So if you have any doubt, let's comment, and thank you so much.